Hi everyone, this is Ms. Zahra and we are preparing for the end of term exam. Okay, grade threes, the last lesson we need to prepare for is animal group survival. There will be three multiple choice questions from these pages, two from page 86 and one from page 87. Okay, so on page 86, we have three keywords we need to understand and be able to match to the answer. Okay, please make sure you also practice these two questions. Let's look at the first word. What does survive mean? Survive means to stay alive, like that animal. He was going to kill him, but he did not. He ran away. He survived. Survive means to stay alive. Sometimes animals work in groups to survive. To stay alive, they work together. So a group is when we have a number of living things with a relationship. So they are working together. This word relationship means they work together. So a group is when animals are a number of them working together. Population, you may think it is the same as a group, but it's a little different. Population is when it is the same type of organism, only one kind of organism, and they live in the same place, the same environment. So when there's a group of animals that are the same kind of animal living in a place, we call them population. The population is usually a number like 30, 20, 50. It is an actual number. Okay, so any number of animals in this picture, we have one, two, three, four wolves. There's a population of four wolves. Okay, so group, a number of living things working together, population, the same kind of animal in an environment. Okay, so on page, sorry about that, on page 86, they may ask you about one of those three words, or they may ask you, why do animals like to work in groups? Well, animals may want to work in groups for one of two reasons. One, to hunt. They maybe want to catch something. So to catch and eat another animal, they will work together. So to hunt, they work together. The animal they're trying to eat is called the prey. So the prey is this animal. And these animals also like to work in a group. So animals like to hunt, to catch something to eat, and the things they eat, called the prey, also like to work in a group to stay safe or to be protected. Sometimes we use the word protect. Protect and safe means the same thing. So sometimes animals live in a group because when something wants to catch and eat them, if they are many, they can run all over the place. Then the animal who's trying to catch them is confused. He doesn't know who to catch. They escape. They survive and keep living. Other times, animals work in a group like these hyenas or lions, and they come from many sides and they pick one animal and they catch them. So animals may live in groups if they are predator, the animal that is the hunter, he lives in a group to catch another animal to eat it. And if it is prey, they live in groups to keep safe from the predator, to protect themselves. So now let's look at these animals here. Animals that like to live on their own. Some animals, like these snakes or tigers, live on their own. And the reason they do this is because they don't need help from anyone else. They can catch food on their own and they can live on their own. So let's look at the tiger. The tiger is a very big animal. He's so big. So he lives on his own. So when he catches food, he catches his prey, he gets to eat all the meat. He can eat the whole animal. He does not have to share. The other animals in groups must share. This skunk, he lives alone because he does not need anyone, and even the snake. They do not need anyone else to help them live. So, snakes scare off other animals, so they don't need any protection. And skunks have a special smell that comes out of them. It's very smelly. Nobody likes to go near them for no reason. So they have a way of keeping themselves safe. They don't need anyone else. This tiger, he's very big. He does not want to share his food. If he shares his food, he will not have enough food for himself to live. So that is why some animals live on their own. Okay, so to summarize, some animals live in a group because in a group they can work together to hunt, to catch something to eat, or to stay safe, to protect themselves from this animal that wants to eat them, called the predator. Animals may live on their own because they don't need any help from anyone else to stay alive and to find food, or because they do not like to share. Please try this quiz's link for practice and good luck.